Okay, so this is a little piece of tinsel and this is neutral. Everybody stop what you're doing and look at this. Ready? Look at the screen and look at this. This is 3 little pieces of tinsel and they're tied together and it's gentle. Please don't pull it. If you break it, let me know so I can fix it before we send it on to the next one. Okay, number 1, we're gonna rub the fur on the styrofoam and we're gonna charge the styrofoam up as negative. It always happens that way because that thing is being the insulator, okay, and it's holding those electrons in place. Okay. Number 2, put the pie plate on. The styrofoam is repelling the pie plate's electrons and the edge is negative. I've already done this a couple of times. Yeah, it's a big important idea. The electrons are up on the edge. Touch the plate to get a tiny shock. Okay, I got the electrons and that makes the plate, this plate is now positive because it gave me its electrons, so it's positive. This tinsel is neutral. Okay? And number 4 and 5, holding the styrofoam cup, lift the now positive pie plate. 5, only holding the cup, hold the pie plate upside down. We could have put those together, I didn't proofread very well. Okay. Number 6, hold the tinsel above the plate and drop it so the tinsel lands on the plate. Something interesting is going to happen. Look this way right now. This is neutral. When it touches the positive plate, the positive is going to take some electrons away. What's going to happen to the tinsel if it gets electrons taken away from it? The tinsel is going to turn positive. The plate's not going to take enough electrons to really do anything, so they're both going to be positive. Watch this. Everybody looking? This is surprising. 3, 2, 1. This is surprising. Okay, but it's science. Okay, so the tinsel was neutral. It got its electrons taken by the positive pie plate. And we've got a positive and positive. Watch this. When you touch and you ground the pie plate, it won't be positive anymore. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, you go try that. Go team, go. All right.